Hello guys, in this video we will learn about merging shapes in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First of all, insert a shape into the PowerPoint slide and let's add another shape. So yeah, so select both shapes and go to shape format. Go to this option, merge shape option. You can see the merge shape option in Windows. You can click on union and the shapes are unite like this. Yeah, if we want to subtract the shapes, then we will add the two more shapes, one this and another this shape. So if we want to cut a shape, then select the first shape and then second one, go to merge shape and click on subtract. This is the cut shape. Okay, so another options are like if we select these both and go to shape option, and if we intersect, then you can see that the center part is visible and the side parts are cut. Now if we click on fragment, then you can see that all shapes are cut but no one is deleted. So that's the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.